Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That is a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I did a moderately poor job of priming, and I am definitely thinking of using enough Amsterdam black to move a spatula through the whole painting and be able to tip it. And I don't know if I can do this, but I don't have a lot of time to do it. But I do have all the ingredients and the tools handy. So we're going to give it a shot. And I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use some Chantilly lace first, actually. I'm going to try and restrain myself from using an overabundance of colors, but that's really hard for me to do. So if I use some neutrals, like this is Indian Spice. And if my puddle's big enough and deep enough, I should be able to tip. And I'm going to stick with the Vivid Intense Rouge Violet. I'm going to stick with the purples and the pinks again. And I kind of like to do this from two directions, but we'll see how that goes. I have a new Prizm pour. I believe it is called Fuchsia. I see something in my paint and it's got to go. Now, those tweezers are on my Amazon link, by the way. I'm going to use Rhapsody Rose, which is a primary element. Take the little tab off the top. I've got some red violet with gold and diamonds in it that's a Vivid Intense. So they're all sort of variations. I might succumb to some orange. I can't tell myself no. I might have to try a little bit just because. This is Saffron. This is Jasmine. Saffron is a Prizm pour. Jasmine is a primary element. And I'm almost out of it, so it's time to make some more. I'm really tempted by the... I'm going to... just a drop of quinacridone nickel gold. Okay, couple drops. And last but not least, I have some saffron with Mayan Gold in it. Which seems to be okay. Now I'm going to grab my largest spatula. And I've been thinking about this, and I like white cells. I'm not sure I'm completely in love with them, and usually I will do black and white, and I might do a second swipe, but for right now, I'm feeling like taking a risk. Quite a bit of white, and I'm going to go for the gold. The gold is P.P Iridescent and Atelier Rich, both in Australian Floetrol. If I stop now, yeah, that's not happening. Well, I guess we'll find out together. I'm going to wipe this off just in case I want to use it again in a second. And I'm really interested in using some black. And I think the black that I want to use is going to go onto one of my little acetate tools. And since my gold is still open, maybe I'll use that as well. Not that the black is open, because it doesn't seem like I... There we go, I got it. Throw that in the bucket. See if there's anything I want to do to this, because I'm kind of feeling Orange Crush is calling me. And where is the Orange Crush? The Orange Crush is here. I have a few colors I need to mix up. Yeah, I like that. Kind of used my edge catcher for something yesterday, so I'm not sure if I have one that's convenient. And it's a large canvas to be flailing about without an edge catcher, but maybe we'll give it a shot anyway. I like what I have, but I need it to spread to the edge. I mean, I really liked what I had. I could use some black, I suppose. I'd like to not lose any paint, but the chances of doing that aren't very good. But the chances of me doing another swipe in the negative space area isn't that bad. I think I have paint all over my thumb, which means now it's on the canvas. I'm not minding how I see the cells spreading out. I'm not minding that I put some black in there. I will not be happy if I lose all this gold down here, because I really like it. Trying to do this without an edge catcher is brazen. I think I'm going to lose my Orange Crush. I'm wishing my thumbprints weren't stuck to the canvas. I must have an edge catcher somewhere here. It's unfortunately very well used, but it'll work. So I rock it when the paint hits the edge, just enough to cover the edge it's on. And then I'm going to try and find a handhold. Paint's still kind of sticky from earlier. And I'm going to be late to dinner. And I just stuck my arm in my painting. So, like I said, as soon as the paint hits the canvas, and your edge is covered. And I like that. And I think I'm going to be okay with this. I'm going to take my paint off my edge catcher. And I just dribbled it across the bottom, so that's where the paint's going to go. I kind of want to... I gotta stop dripping on things. Trying to merge things that don't belong is kind of foolish, but it is what it is. So maybe I learned that I can't do things in such a short amount of time. I throw those in the bucket. And what I really want to do is put some black down here along this edge. I don't know if I can improve this, but it's actually kind of cool. So I'm going to make sure my thumb is dry, tip that paint one way so it merges with it, and then try and draw it down. And what I'm going to have to do instead of what I want is just break up that edge a little bit so it's not so straight. And I actually really like that. What am I going to do with this bottom half? I'm going to use some more Rouge Violet. See if I can't get it to fit done. I should tell you guys whatever I'm going to tell you because I've got to be gone. And I've got paint over there I can use. But my canvas is... oh! Not enough time. So I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. And maybe I'll see you tomorrow at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Know that I have 31 playlists. Look for the 20% off Colourarte coupon code and the 10% off Pixel Paint Designs coupon code. I'm going to try and shimmer this at you before you're gone. It's actually pretty cool. I might blow these down. I kind of want to. They are gorgeous colors together, totally. That's pretty. and my battery's going to die. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check out my link tree. Know I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. My paint pouring recipes are on to show more. I thank you for your compliments and kind words. You keep my morale boosted. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My Amazon link is on the link tree along with a couple of my websites. I have, like I may have said, 31 playlists of 100 videos. I also have them organized by topic and genre, so if you'd like to have some, just ask me. I'll be happy to help you. These are colors I adore, so we should be all set. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Whatever I've forgotten, you'll see in another video. Priscilla out. So this is the next day, and this is dry, and I have learned a lesson I thought I knew a long time ago. And when I used my Amsterdam Black with Floetrol, I forgot to put the GAC 800 in it. So I want to make sure you guys see the crazing that I got. Now, luckily, I tipped this far enough so that 99% of it thinned out the paint, but where it was left heavy, you can see that I got crazing. But alternatively, it is still gorgeous. And I'm really happy that I put a black base layer down on a white canvas first, because otherwise you never know whether that cracking would have gone down to the white canvas or not. Because the Amsterdam Black is not as black as the Meaden Black that I have on my on my Amazon link. Anyway, so I thought I'd share that with you, and this will look better with a little bit of gloss varnish on it. And if I want to fill in those cracks in a couple of days, I could use gloss gel medium or matte gel medium if I'm going to gloss over it. So I can fill the cracks if I want. I don't think they're that bad, and I don't mind that they're black because I did use some black cell activator in here also. So lesson learned. I went ahead and put the GAC 800 into my Amsterdam Black, and it won't be happening again. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Bye for now. Priscilla out.